Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Subaru Crosstrek rear wiper blade. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. This provides clear access to the blade. Next, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade itself, usually found where the blade connects to the arm. This tab is key to detaching the old blade. Once you have located the release tab, firmly press it down or squeeze it, depending on the design. While holding the tab, slide the entire wiper blade assembly away from the wiper arm. It should slide off smoothly. Pay attention to how the old blade was oriented on the arm. This will help you when installing the new one. Set the old blade aside for disposal. With the old blade removed, take a moment to inspect the wiper arm itself. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or bending that might affect the new blade's performance. You can also gently clean the connection point on the arm to remove any dirt or debris. Before installing, confirm that your new replacement wiper blade is the correct length and attachment type for your Crosstrek. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm in the reverse direction of removal until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Test its function to confirm proper installation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.